Today we will see different kinds of sound, the combination which we has, and what to pronounce, how to pronounce, what is the sound of that particular combination. So long A sound, A, 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 A. Long E sound. This is how we represent the sound in between two slash. E, 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 E. Stretch your voice. E. This is long I sound. Whenever you see the combination like this, IE, this is I sound. I. Have you ever seen SKY? We say sky. The sound of I is Y is I. That is why the sound of Y is I. Long O sound. O. Next is little U sound. U. This is long U sound. U. We say na NEW, new, U sound. The sound is like NATURE, nature, sound. This is R sound, So we'll take the example of this like TALK. So it is talk. Next is oi. The sound of this two combination is oi. Last one is ow sound.